Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into an exciting topic: how to start an online business as a beginner. Whether you are looking to earn some extra income or build a full-time career, we have got you covered with these essential steps. Let's get started. 1. Brainstorm business idea. Think about what you are passionate about and identify a niche that interests you. Consider what product or service you can offer that solve a problem or meet a need. Number 2. Conduct market research. Analyze the market to understand your potential competitors, target audience, and market demand. This helps in refining your business idea and identifying gaps in the market. Number 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you stay focused. Number 4. Set up your online presence. Choose a business name and register a domain. Create a professional website that is user-friendly and optimized for search engine. Consider setting up social media profiles to engage with your audience. Number 5. Choose a business model. Decide on your revenue model. Options include selling physical or digital products, offering services, affiliate marketing, or creating subscription-based service. Number 6. Build your brand. Develop a strong brand identity with a unique value proposition. Your brand should reflect your business values and resonate with your target audience. Number 7. Launch and market your business. Start promoting your business through various channels such as social media, email marketing, and content marketing. Utilize SEO strategies to increase your website visibility. Number 8. Monitor and improve your business. Regularly track your business performance using analyzing tools. Gather customer feedback and make necessary adjustments to improve your products, services, and market strategies. That is it for today's video on starting an online business as a beginner. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and good luck with your online business journey.